Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope all of you are doing great. So in this video, we are going to see how we can make our own custom progress bar in SwiftUI. Because the default progress bar in SwiftUI is customizable only to a limit, and we may have our own design requirements for which we want to customize our progress bar. So for those cases, we can have our own customizable progress bar so that we can customize it as the way we want. So let's start by creating a new Xcode project, and next let's name it progress bar. Select Shift UI here and hit next, create. Remove this default code from the content view, and let's create a new Swift UI view file for our progress bar. So select Swift UI view here, hit next, and name it progress bar and create. In this, let's create a property named progress. This will be of type CG-float, and let's take geometry reader for the sizes. Geometry in, and let's take a Z stack. We are taking a Z stack because we will be having two rectangles, one for the track view and another for the tint view of the progress bar. Because the progress bar, see, we are going to create something like this progress bar. So this background that you are seeing, this is the track view, and this filler that you are seeing, the progress on the top, this is the tint view. So we will be, having two rectangles for our progress bar. So give the alignment dot leading, and let's take a rounded rectangle with corner radius, and let's take a height constant here. So we will take height as 5.0 and corner radius will be height divided by 2, and let's take frame width will be equal to the available space to the progress bar. So that's why we have taken a geometry reader on top. So let's geometry dot size dot width, and height will be the constant that we have defined. And let's take, this is the track view. This rectangle is basically the track view, or you can say the background view of the progress bar. So let's foreground color for this will be gray, and to make it lighter, give an opacity of 0.5. And let's have another rectangle for the tint view, or the top view of the progress bar. So tint, and width, height will be same, width will not be same, I will explain it, and color will be blue. So width of this will be equal to the progress, right? It will depend on the progress, how much progress you have provided to the progress bar. So basically this progress will come in percentage. So this width basically will be equal to geometry width into progress divided by 100. All right. So it will depend, it will change with the progress. When progress will be changed from the outside, the width of the tint view will be changed so that you can see it, okay, it is progressing. All right, now let's provide it. Progress, for example, 50. And if you see in the canvas, I think we'll be able to see our progress bar there. See, we are seeing it with the 50% progress bar because we have provided 50% into the preview. So let's call it from the outside. Let's use this progress bar. Now we are done with our progress bar view. So go to content view and call our progress bar with progress, let's say 30%, and let's run it. All right, let it run. See, we are able to see the progress bar with the progress 30%. All right, then now let's automate it with the timer. So let's create a state to handle the progress. So var progress cg float. Let's start with 0 and pass it here, and let's take a timer. Let timer publish every, let's say, 0.1, and dot main dot common and dot auto connect. And now let's subscribe it here, and then this will be our timer. And in perform, let's check if progress is less than 100, then progress should increase by 1. So now if we run it, we will be able to see our progress bar going from 0 to 100 with the timer. So let's see. Okay, you can see it, but you see this progress transition is not smooth. So let's make it smooth. So just change this statement or keep this statement inside the with animation block. So now your transition will go, with the animation. So you will this will look smooth. So now let's run it again. See, now this is smooth. Okay, that's it, I guess. So we have made our own progress bar. Now you can customize it as per your design requirements. You can give it, track or tint color as you want. You can provide it the style as you want. Like if you want to give it, for example, borders, so you can provide it borders or any size. You can provide it any size. Okay, so okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Let's see you in the next video.